Hey traders, Raghee here, and what I'm going to bring you are the three sectors you need to watch right now. First up is XME. This is the Metals and Mining ETF. This is an ETF that moves with copper, silver, and gold. And when those metals are moving higher, it's going to take metals and mining higher as well. This is a relative outperformer and one of the strongest sectors right now in all the markets. The next one to keep an eye on, sort of related to metals and mining, is GDX. GDX is concentrated on gold miners. So while metals and mining has copper, silver, and gold stocks, gold miners are only those gold stocks. So this is going to move with the strength in gold. The idea here is to find already strong sectors and then strong stocks within those sectors so that we have great alignment for follow through, because that is how we make money on our trades. The last sector is ITB. Now, as the Federal Reserve is very likely to cut in September at the meeting on the 19th, the likelihood of mortgage rates dropping on that and home builders and home construction moving higher is very much a macro thesis. Well, that macro thesis is meeting an uptrend. And now with the uptrend in gold and uptrend in silver, and now with the home builders uptrend, you've got three powerful sectors to look at. Now, if you're looking at ITB, let me give you a tip here. ITB is not a really liquid ETF. So when you take a look at the open interest, it's usually going to be crickets and tumbleweeds. So keep an eye on DHI, DH Horton, as the stand-in or the proxy for taking advantage of that strength in the ITB ETF. These are the kinds of processes that help me find stocks that are not only going to continue, but offer the best dip buys. And this is exactly how I've been trading for 30 years. And it works because we're following the psychology of relative performance. If you want to learn more about how I trade, watch lists, position sizing, and of course, even get my alerts on sectors just like this, come join us in the Sector Secrets Mastery. 30 days for $7. That is the trial you can take advantage of right now. And I look forward to seeing you in the room.